نائب امریکی صدر JD وینس سوئٹزرلینڈ کے لیے روانہ ہو گئے۔ JD وینس نے روانگی سے قبل کہا کہ وہ سوئٹزرلینڈ میں 1 یا 2 دن قیام کر سکتے ہیں۔ روانگی سے قبل میڈیا سے گفتگو میں کہا ہے کہ ایرانیوں، پاکستانیوں اور قطریوں کے ساتھ تکنیکی مذاکرات شروع کرنے کا منتظر ہوں۔ امید ہے کہ جوہری مسئلے پر پیش رفت ہوگی اور لبنان میں جنگ بندی کے معاملے میں بھی پیش رفت حاصل کی جائے گی۔ یہی وہ 2 بڑے موضوعات ہیں جن پر توجہ مرکوز رہے گی۔
Looking forward to starting the technical talks with the Iranians, the Pakistanis, and the Qataris. Our understanding is that the Iranians just landed. The Qataris and Pakistanis and some of our technical negotiators have been on the ground. So look, we'll have a couple days of talks. We're going to get this thing kicked off in the right way. There's a lot to discuss, but we're going to go through it all.
Sir, the fighting in Lebanon seems to threatens to upend the entire process. What does the U.S. plan to do about that?
Well, Marco and the entire team have been actively managing what's going on in Lebanon despite the headlines. Things are actually getting better there. Things have calmed down a little bit. It's going to be something we're just going to have to continuously manage to ensure that, Israel and Lebanon are both safe and secure. That's fundamentally the goal of this, is to make the whole region safe and secure. The big problem is that you have somebody will shoot and then somebody will respond, and you kind of have a chicken and egg problem where you've just got to stop the shooting for long enough to get the ceasefire to keep hold. That's what we're going to try to do. We'll keep on working at it, but things have gotten better.
Sir, can you tell us more specifically about your schedule in Switzerland? What would make this a successful trip for you?
Well, I think number one, just getting things set up in the right way and getting the actual structure of the negotiation in place. So the way that we're going to do this is that we're going to have a principal level political leadership at the top, and then obviously the technical team is going to stay on the ground. As much as I might like to stay in what appears to be a beautiful place, I can only be there for a day or two. I think we're going to hopefully make progress on the nuclear issue, make progress on the Lebanon ceasefire issue. Those are the 2 big things that I think we're going to be focused on. I'm sure the Iranians are going to have issues they'd like to discuss as well. We'll see you guys on the other side.